Hey guys, thought I'd show some easy freehand stropping with hand strop. This one's at about 15 degrees, so it's going to be steep. So the way you find your angle, I would suggest doing this maybe at the end of your strop, is lay it down, lift it up, and kind of push until you feel it catch. It's right about there. And you want to make sure you lock your wrists. Just go like that. Same way on this one. Right there. And it'll feel like you have some resistance. It'll glide if you have the flat. I've been using this this week at work. It's one of my sharper ones. You know, 4, 5, 6 passes, unless it's really damaged. But this is a great way to maintain your knives without having to resharpen them. Like, you can resharpen if it's broken, but if you maybe strop once a week on your knives that you use, you'll maintain them a lot better. And it's a really good skill to have if you don't sharpen. If you learn how to freehand strop, then you can translate that into maybe doing freehand hand and stone sharpening. But the main thing is keeping that angle. You don't want to roll it up too much this way. Lift it up, because then what you'll do is you'll scrape it against the actual edge, and dull. What you're trying to do is follow the apex of your steel. So let's see how it looks after the stropping. Snapping hairs again. And that's just from stropping after using a week. All right.